deep hole right here we're popping out of. We probably when they get down where he can get it tractor out there, he's probably just gonna give him a fish net, go start kind of skeptical about eating any fish out of this little pond, because I mean all this run off every time it rains right here.
Fertilizer
and all the stuff off the road and everything else.
So tell me, is there anything greater than James Donovan on a construction site?
You see the honeycomb there, don't you?
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you can zoom in with that. That's the honeycomb inside that tree. Look over here on the side. See the one standing up this way that it's up against? Look at the hole on that side.
So tell me what happened when you knocked over those bees.
They went everywhere. They was flying all around me. They covered. Luckily, I had these closed doors on this tractor. They would have been all over me.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. There's thousands and thousands of them. That beehive's probably about that long in there. Yeah. When he cut the stump, it's this long, and it's still in there. So there's a bunch of bees in there.